Today, it wasn't attorneys, but University of Memphis's law students who filed 15 lawsuits against blighted and neglected properties in Shelby County Environmental Court. The city is teaming up with U of M to clean up thousands of vacant properties across Memphis. The good news, they're getting results. Here's our Stephen Pimpo.
And moves on to the
They don't do anything to the owners, and the property just keep going until it just falls down or gets burned down.
In the 3 years since moving to the neighborhood, Roy Brownlee says this North Memphis house at 2119 Hunter Avenue stood empty and falling into deeper disrepair.
I keep my yard up, so why can't everybody else do the same?
Brownlee says it's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to blight and empty houses. Neighbors say this area is full of neglected houses, with several becoming popular sites for squatters and illegal dumping. Residents say that happened days ago to another crumbling house on Henderson Street.
The city needs to do something about it, because it can cause a hazard like that fire. It could have spread.
Both those properties were among the lawsuits filed today by the University of Memphis Neighborhood Preservation Clinic. Law students in the program filed public nuisance actions for the city of Memphis under the supervision of faculty and licensed staff attorneys to cut down on the tens of thousands of blight cases.
Because this lawsuit is filed against the property itself, and that property is in Memphis, even if the owner never appears, we can still go forward.
In the past 5 years, 60% of this group's cases resulted in the owner either fixing the problem or paying to demolish the building altogether. Anthony Self, a Memphis native, filed the case against the Hunter Avenue house.
Just seeing some of the places, some of the homes where I played as a child, the goal is to have it be used for its original purpose.
In Memphis, I'm Stephen Pimpo.
The neighborhood group says their nearly 2,000 lawsuits over the last 10 years resulted in nearly 1,500 Memphis properties being cleaned up.